Welcome back to Skills to Income. I am your host Mohammed Altamash, and today we are going practical. This episode is all about tools. Specifically, the 5 tools I use every single day to run my digital business. If you've ever wondered how people build faceless brands, automate content, or sell products without a big team, this is your behind the scenes look. Let's jump in. Why tools matter? Let's be clear. Tools don't build your business. You do. But the right tools make everything faster, simpler, and scalable. They save you time, they automate the boring stuff, and they let you focus on what really matters: creating value and building relationships. These are the 5 tools I consider non negotiable in my system. Tool 1: Notion, my digital brain. Notion is where I plan everything: podcast episodes, content ideas, SOPs, product frameworks, weekly tasks. I use it like a command center. One place to think, write, and organize. If you are juggling multiple things, courses, content, services, Notion brings it all together. Bonus: you can turn Notion pages into lead magnets or mini courses with very little friction. Tool 2: ChatGPT plus prompt systems. Content is king, but consistency is queen. I use ChatGPT to generate outlines, headlines, hooks, email ideas, and repurposed versions of my original work. But here's the key: you don't just ask ChatGPT, you train it with custom prompts. My prompt stacks help me repurpose podcast scripts into blog posts, break down long content into short reels, draft emails that sound human and convert. It's not about replacing your voice, it's about scaling it. Tool 3: 11 Labs. This tool is the voice of my brand, literally. 11 Labs allows me to clone my voice and generate natural sounding audio from scripts like the one you're hearing now. This lets me batch podcast episodes, create voiceover reels, launch faceless video content, add narration to landing pages and mini courses. You don't need a mic, studio, or editing software. Just your voice, a script, and 11 Labs. Tool 4: Kit, previously known as ConvertKit. This is my email engine. Every funnel, every automation, every welcome sequence runs through Kit. Why email? Because email builds ownership. You don't rent followers here, you own the relationship. Kit allows me to tag users based on behavior, deliver lead magnets instantly, set up product launch sequences, send weekly value emails in advance. It's simple, visual, and built for creators. And it integrates with everything I use, including Notion, Pabbly, and Zapier. Tool 5: Pabbly Connect. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Pabbly is my automation bridge, the tool that makes different platforms talk to each other. For example, when someone fills a form, they're added to Kit. When someone buys a product, they get an automatic email sequence. When I post new content, it gets distributed to Telegram, WhatsApp, or email. Pabbly saves me from hiring a virtual assistant because the assistant is already working 24/7 behind the scenes. What this stack really gives me: time, clarity, freedom. These tools don't just save time, they remove friction. They help me move from idea to execution in minutes, not days. I don't have a big team, I don't need one. With these tools, I can create once, repurpose endlessly, engage without being stuck online, sell without always launching, deliver real value at scale. This is how I built my freedom vehicle. Let me wrap this up with an action step. Write this down. Tools multiply my time. Systems multiply my income. So today, pick one tool from this list. Explore it. Learn it. Use it to simplify just one part of your workflow. Small shifts, big impact. Thanks for listening to episode 6 of Skills to Income. If you found a tool today that can change the game for you, I want to hear about it. Screenshot this episode, post it on Instagram, and tag me. You can find the username is mentioned in the description. And in the next episode, I'm going to walk you through one of the biggest questions I get. Should I launch a course, offer coaching, or build a community? The answer might surprise you and change your whole strategy. Until then, stay consistent, stay curious, and always choose freedom.